back with my two favourite people, my mum and my dad.
Hello.
Who are secretly the stars of the show, but actually, arguably, Dad, even more. You know, somebody sent me a message saying that they can't finish a video of mine until they've had the sign-off from you.
Obviously a person of discernment
There you
and good
go.
taste.
So, we are going to go through Mum's purchases from Paris and one purchase from New York while you've been here. And we're going to get Dad's reaction / rating.
And I'm going to apologise first to your subscribers because I'm not tops today.
She's not
poorly.
feeling 100%.
Yes. So if I'm
somebody's
a bit, bland, sorry. I'll do my best.
Okay, so...
Do you think we should just let Jelly come in? Just let her come in.
Okay, Jelly's coming in.
She's part of the family.
I mean,
let her
she
come.
is. Come on. Jelly said that she also wants to give her ratings of purchases because one day it will all be hers. Okay, so do you want to start off with Chanel?
Any.
Okay, let's do Chanel because that's your biggest, that's your fave. I'm going to give you the item and then you're going to give us your justifications to why.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Right.
Okay, so I will describe the items that everybody's
Okay.
on the same page. Here we have a pair of grey Chanel jeans with Chanel chain trim along the bottom and along the sides. Seems to be a wide / straight leg. CC's on the back pockets.
Mm-hmm.
And gold Chanel button.
Mm.
I
These
didn't
have
even
been-
notice.
I know, it's a very nice button actually. These have been hemmed to Mum's length, as we know she's a short queen.
Yes.
So there we go. Mum
Made to measure jeans.
Mum hates being told that she's short.
I'm all right.
She's average.
She's 5 foot.
No.
5'3".
3, please. No.
With a platform-
no.
with a
No.
platform
No.
sneaker.
Don't let it go out there. It's 5'3".
There you go. Why did you buy the jeans? Give us
Well,
justification.
do you want the honest truth?
Yes.
It's daughter pressure. To be honest with you, I'm not usually a black, grey jeans person.
Mm.
But you went on and on and on that, oh, it's a collectible, it's a classic, it's a this, it's a that. Plus on top
One
of
day
that,
it'll be mine.
you know what else? It doesn't even stretch.
No, it's a stiff denim.
Yeah, and
I did think you looked nice in them, and you do look nice in them, let's not lie.
No.
It's not like I've gone and made you buy something.
No, we're not lying. It's the truth.
Yeah. Very
You
good
know
sauce,
that,
isn't it?
yes, that I just thought you went on and on. Cassie, you did go on and on.
Okay, I did a little bit, but Dad, she doesn't always have to listen to me.
No, I
Is that
don't.
correct?
She's her own woman,
Yes,
you.
no, I don't, but I ended up buying it.
and in
So
the
there-
end you'll like it.
So now I've got to wear it.
You do.
I know, get my money's worth.
Right, based on that, Dad,
What do you think?
3.5 out of 5.
why?
It's a pair of jeans. At the end of the day, made fancy,
Yeah?
Chanel-ified.
got leather.
Yeah. And a
Did
little
you
bit
know
of
it had leather in it?
Well, leather and chain. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
They're okay. You know,
Okay.
they're
Well, I'm
fine.
glad you like them. It seems you like them more than I like them.
Oh,
Yeah.
I've been thrown under the bus, you see.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. I hope I warm up to them better.
I
I'm
think
sure
you should.
you
They're
will.
lovely. Black turtleneck and these.
Yes, but
autumn.
Cassie, they don't stretch. At my age, you want peace. You want peace with your body, with, breathing, eat freely.
I didn't
Don't worry
force
about
you.
the stomach showing because it's stretchy, so then everything forms. This one, it will be...
It's like I took your card and gave
I'm
it
going to
to
say
you.
at the end of the
No.
day,
Yeah,
at
somebody.
the end of the day, who paid for them at the counter?
Me.
Oh, there you are then. No
Thank
one else to
you.
blame.
Exactly. Right, next item.
Did I actually call you about that?
Yes,
You
you
did.
did. And you
And
said,
you
what did I
FaceTimed
think?
me. You FaceTimed me from the trying on room or whatever, fitting room.
Thank you.
And then you said,
I said it looks fine down the phone.
oh, so you're part of the pressure.
We've got black crocheted little semi-cardigan, semi-jacket, right? Little hook and eyes to keep it together. Chanel buttons.
So this will be worn a lot.
Yes.
I can see it being used, and it's not delicate.
No.
In that you can scrunch, put it in your tote bag.
Yeah.
If you're going on a trip somewhere, just it's an easy wear.
Mm-hmm.
It's not formal,
No.
but actually you can dress it up or dress it down.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, but if I'm talking about value for money, after we went to Schiaparelli, I'd have rather spent my money in Schiaparelli than in Chanel.
Chanel was our first stop.
That's always the case when you go shopping.
So
isn't it?
next time.
That's why you should do your purchases and go home.
So we did
Because
it.
it's always the same, doesn't matter what you buy. I mean, anybody, I don't mean you specifically.
Yeah.
Immediately you buy something, you go to another shop and say, oh, I wish I'd bought that instead.
Well,
That's just natural.
then the clever thing would be you do a once around and then you go and you make your
Now,
purchases.
that's the
Yeah.
clever thing. But
we didn't.
Instinctive purchases, I like it, I want it. Beep.
Yeah.
But what,
Because-
and how do men shop then?
Because
Oh,
they're
we'll
practical
say-
and boring.
Do I need it?
Yeah.
Think about you yesterday.
Oh, it's true.
And-
That
Actually-
was peer pressure.
It was. It was. Despite me saying I wish I'd gone
May
to
we
Schiaparelli
caveat-
first,
yes.
this will be used.
Very
Yes,
much so.
that's a 4.5 out of 5.
May we caveat
Yes.
everything you've said about male shoppers with the caveat that straight male shoppers. Thank you. Let's not throw the gays under the bus. Wait, do you want to talk about your Chanel boots? I'll put a picture of them.
Yes, so I bought some Chanel boots, knee-high,
Riding boot style.
riding boot style, classic design, traditional. Will come out every winter. But do you know what? It's like concrete.
Wait, okay, so they are the knee-high version of these, Dad.
Yeah.
Thoughts?
Well, they look fine. They look fine. Nice boots, nice pattern.
They're just so feel
They
the
are
leather.
so hard.
It's so hard.
Yeah.
And
well,
then-
you have to break
And
them
then
in.
look at this concrete.
So I had to get mine,
Yeah,
put a grip
so
on the bottom because there was
need
no
to do
grip.
that.
And I've asked them to put an insole, a leather insole, so that it
Gives it a
yeah.
bit of
Otherwise, you're
So it was a
walking
poor
on-
purchase, really.
It really was. We've had
So-
to modify it.
That's true. You shouldn't have to. Should
Yeah.
you?
Yeah, exactly.
So beware, viewers.
Yes, no, it's good. It's good. If people
No,
are
yeah.
thinking of
Yeah.
buying
Exactly.
this, I'd say don't waste your money on it.
You've bought it so that you don't have to.
You know,
Yeah.
maybe
Yeah, we've done the
Hermès
trial and error.
Yeah, Hermès do a similar one. They
A
do
boot,
a
yes,
riding one.
yes.
Maybe that's softer. Having said that, I think I saw someone wearing that and they didn't look. Maybe that's the trend now. This sort of thing. You know, concrete.
The trend is suffering. Okay, so
I mean, I'll wear it because I've paid for it.
and they do look good. I
They
mean, let's
yes,
be honest.
they do look good.
Okay.
You did say that that you need to break it in.
You do.
Yes.
Yes, so maybe
I've only
They
worn
do
it
get
once.
better.
Yeah.
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 And you've only worn yours once.
yeah. I mean, I did wear it the whole day,
Mhm.
and it didn't hurt me.
Okay.
So I guess that's
What
the
might be
positive.
worth doing is getting some leather softener.
What is that?
What's that?
It's like a soap. It's a cream that they rub in, softens the leather. So
well.
that may go, but that'll not help the sole.
The
They're
testing,
telling us, yeah.
This is very little, but you might find after a few wears.
Yeah, it softens
it
up
does
nicely.
give-
Sometimes I just wonder, you know, before they produce things like that, don't
Do they ever have anybody
Yes.
to test?
Yeah,
They do.
test drive it. But then did the person not see all these flaws in it?
Yeah.
No, because you know what they do? They don't test it on a person. They put it on a machine.
Well, they should
They
test
like
it
whirl
on a
it
person.
round and see whatever.
Well,
and they're
feedback
like,
for free. Test it on
Yeah.
a person.
Schiaparelli. I'm biased because I think it's wonderful. This black knitted mini dress. Yeah, let's get that corner down. You've got this amazing padding detail that looks like ribs and a spine and whatever anatomical details.
Yeah.
You've got gold, beautiful buttons down the front.
And these are all works of art.
Yeah.
Little bees. and
You've
things.
got a tooth and a bird and an eye and whatever else. You've got the little Schiaparelli, a keyhole
And the
detail at the back.
anatomy bit is her signature.
Yes, Elsa Schiaparelli,
Yeah.
back in the day.
Uh-huh.
Thoughts?
Nice.
Isn't it just?
Best purchase of the whole trip.
It's chic, it's timeless, but it's interesting.
It's
Yeah,
really
yeah, it's nice that, but it looks nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll show you a picture of it on her.
And Cassie picked these before I got into the shop because Cassie went
did.
first.
I went first.
And then she said, "Ooh, my mum would like this," and she
Yeah.
and the mum did like it.
Also comes in white, but we thought for
Cream
but we thought for ease of
Makeup.
use.
and makeup round the neck when
Exactly.
you're putting it on, all of that.
Also, the black will look nicer with tights in the winter.
Well, you can wear black
versatility.
with anything, can't you?
Exactly.
That's if one is allowed to wear tights because you don't allow me to wear tights.
It's because your tights are like leggings, Mother. They are so opaque.
Yes, because one
It-
needs to
it
keep. I've told
detaches
you,
from the look.
You need to be comfortable.
You wear it with white
warm.
trainers. There's too much contrast.
Well, I need to be warm.
Trust me, please.
Yeah. 4. I'll give you a 4.
Okay.
Really?
Nice
So
and
you
full
think
on.
that jacket is better?
Yeah, because it's classic, it's timeless.
And this is.
But I don't
Because,
know, I've
yeah.
never heard that name before.
Well, now you
I've
know.
heard of
Okay,
Chanel.
I'll
never
give you
heard
this,
of
I'll give you this.
Schiaparelli or whatever they are.
Schiaparelli.
Oh, shoes.
I was going to say, is that all I bought?
Yeah.
Oh, I bought some wedges
Oh,
in
yes.
like a dusty pink.
Mm-hmm.
Really nice.
Yeah, you like that.
Very light. It would be really good for Africa weather, you know, summertime. That's one that I wear all the time, and it's just mid-height as well.
Because you know she likes the platform.
God, she's little.
And you?
Okay, here we have black satin pair of Chanel slingbacks, CC stitched on the toe.
Yes.
Lovely crystal diamante trim there,
Mm-hmm.
highlighting the shoe.
Very,
Mother?
very, very nice, those.
Oh, I was going to ask Mum her justification. She doesn't
Let
need
Daddy
it.
do
Yeah,
first.
Because the trim sets them apart.
agreed.
If you
Little bit
didn't
of
have that, they
razzle-dazzle.
could just be an ordinary pair of black heels.
Yeah.
That makes them special. Yes?
Do you agree?
Yes, I like the almond toe.
I mean, even the boat agrees.
Yeah.
I like the almond shaped toe,
It's a good
easy
toe.
to wear.
Mm.
It's not going to hurt you. Sling back, same.
Decent heel height, not
Good
crazy.
heel height.
Yeah.
A bit of bling. We always like a bit of that.
hmm
A classic in the wardrobe. 10 years time, bring it out, rock it again.
Now we have an Hermès reveal. Exciting times.
Frightening time.
You signed it off because you were like, it's your birthday.
I just happened to state the fact it was a birthday. That was all.
You bought this and you haven't opened it since because we said we were going to do it on camera.
Yes, because you
I'm just saying for
You
the
said.
for the community, people,
So I've
everybody
been
here.
hanging, wanting to use this, and I can't.
Thank
Now I
you
have
to
to
everybody.
use a little laddery
Tote bag.
tote bag.
It's laddery at least.
I quite like
It's
the fact
very
that,
cute.
that I have that I'm with a mini Kelly and then a laddery tote.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
So here we are.
Oh dear.
Right, so I haven't seen this since last week.
Yeah, do you still like it?
Oh, I'm not sure now
No.
if I still like it.
Liar. Wait, really?
No, I do like
Okay, good.
it. I like it.
So, this is the picotin. In the size, is it 18?
The baby size.
Yeah, it's the smallest size. But what's special about this is, first of all, it's the same colour as my Birkin.
Oh
Like
dear.
mother, like daughter.
Yeah, you're getting it ready for your inheritance, aren't you? Buy that one, Mother, it matches my other.
It's the monochrome edition. So what that means is that the
All
hardware,
one colour.
the hardware is the same colour as the bag, which is very rare for Hermès.
Oh, I
So
see.
this has green hardware. You've got to put its nice little buckle on,
Wait,
mother.
I just want to show your subscribers
So
the
like
little studs as well.
the
They're all
feet.
green.
Yeah.
Nice. Do you
Yeah,
see?
so you can put it on the floor when you get
And
Oh, no. Hermès, they don't sit on the floor.
Oh my
you see
goodness,
the
it
little
No.
green lock,
Yes.
looking chic and fabulous in her green metal.
Yeah.
Do you not want
An
to put the lock on?
easy to use bag.
This is very mum's
It's like a
vibe.
leather bucket, isn't it?
That's what she likes. She
Yeah.
likes a grab and go,
Yes.
stuff things in.
But
Yeah.
the problem,
I
well,
like a grab and go.
the only practical problem, take that out,
Go on, tell us.
pickpocket,
So that's why you put it on the crook of your arm and then you hope for the best.
yeah. You've just got to beware.
Yeah.
But I think as you use it more, it'll close more.
Yes,
as it's
it'll
been
soften.
packed in the box,
Mhm.
it's square
So is
rather
it-
than flat.
Is this how it's done then? In and back on
No.
itself?
No, because this
Really?
this goes through the hole.
No, but you've got two, you see.
Well, I don't know because
That's
this is
to
meant
stop
to
it
go on
pulling
here. You
out.
see.
Then you can't pull it out through the hole.
Oh, I mean, if that is what it's supposed to be for, then...
See, there's it's closed.
So there's it's closed. So every time you want to go in, what do you do?
Well,
Get the
that's
key.
it. No, you just weasel it out. You just weasel it out. Look, because technically it's still open.
It's only for fashion.
It's very fashionable, let's put it that way.
And then the little dangle.
What do you think? Like honest.
It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. There's
Soft
nothing.
leather.
Yeah,
It
very
is.
nice leather. But
This is what the
Hermès always
Chanel.
is.
This is what the Chanel boots should have done.
Should have been, yeah. Yeah. No, it's
Yeah.
just a functional bag.
Yeah.
Yes, functional.
Yeah.
That's
And
it.
that's
It's
what we
not-
want.
I mean, it's not like the Birkins and what have you that you have to be, oh, it might rain, I can't use it. Or
Actually, she'll
somebody
still
within
be like
10
that.
metres of
Has
me
it got a
might-
raincoat?
It
might
does. I
cough on
think.
it.
Somebody within 10 metres might cough on it.
Whereas this you can wear every day.
No, it does
Use
not.
Every day.
It just tells you about the leather. It does not have a raincoat.
Oh,
You can make one for that.
I need to put a carrier bag inside
Oh gosh.
whenever it rains.
Leather's
Yeah.
nice.
You don't feel like it's got to be precious.
No, exactly, because it's a
Yeah.
slouchy
Yeah,
bag.
you'd
So-
look after it, but
Mhm.
So the first time you hear a little kid with a biro that starts going like that.
well,
and
where's
let's see
that? How am I
precious
going to get near
Where
a
are
little
these
kid with a
children?
bag?
in a shop.
Yeah, I
That's
quite
very
like
you.
this. Should I use this tomorrow?
Yeah, but can I make one special request?
Mhm.
Can you please
I
take
know what
the
you're going
heart,
to
take
say.
the sticker
I should
off,
take the sticker off.
please? You know, she's still on her mini Kelly, Dad. The stickers are still
Like
on
these.
there.
It actually does damage, doesn't it? When you
Yeah,
leave it
when you
on?
leave
Yeah.
the sticker on, it
Yeah.
oxidises, especially when it's so nice that it's monochrome. You don't want to
I
ruin
like the
it.
monochrome.
It-
Did you know that they did monochrome?
I actually didn't until we were there, and I was like, oh, that's
It's a lot
fun.
nicer.
Yeah,
It's different, isn't it? That's the
exactly.
thing. As long as I don't know the price, 4.5.
Okay, so this is your top pick.
No, I think
With
you
the
had
Chanel
another-
jacket was
you-
4.5.
Are you not
so
paying
they're rivaling.
attention?
Yeah, sorry.
But I don't think there's a bad purchase apart from the boots.
Mm.
And
Okay.
and there again you might find they do break in.
Yeah.
Things to do is wear them for just an hour at a time. Yeah.
Should I play with it tomorrow?
What's the use of buying anything and just leaving it in a cupboard?
Thank
What
you.
use is it? You buy it because you like it, because you want to use it. If you're buying it for an investment, you'd put your money in the bank.
I
It's
mean,
there to be used.
you are right.
So use it. Enjoy it.
I'll do my best.
All right. Well, thank you everybody for being here and for your input. And even though you were ill,
You're welcome, and apologies that I'm a bit
it's fine.
flat.
It's fine. I think everybody was just excited to see your lovely little face.
I hope that we do another one before I go back.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes,
I'm
yes.
sure
We
we
will
will.
do. We will do. Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome as always.
You know that you've got to do the sign off now when it's time. Do you know your lines?
Oh no, use the old one.
No, you've
Because
got
I'm
to
a
do.
bit croaky.
Liar, liar.
I am.
Actually, why are you
Excuses.
lying?
I'm croaky today.
You're lying. Well, if he remembers.
He
Ah,
does.
Excuse me.
I'm going
He
to.
does.
Do you remember your lines?
I know
Yes.
the lines.
Okay, I was just here for
Remember
support.
me.
Okay. Well, I will leave a link to another video somewhere here. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are. And in the words of my father.
If you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
Bye, guys.